Okay, this is the second bathroom, or the second of three. So now I need to, that was the most important. I had to fully, because the black grout would have stained, whoa, I tell you, it would have stuffed the ceiling if I wouldn't have put tape up there. That white paint, and it's helped to keep the black grout out of the grout lines on the walls. But that was the biggie. Now just silicone along and silicone down the walls. So I'm wrapped how that came out. Now I just wipe and I stay away from the paint with my sponge. DIYers, make sure. So I give it a wipe off. I've noticed a little hole there, but that's no biggie. Give it a light wipe over. I've got a dusting cloth, so I'll give it a wipe off shortly, which will tidy it up nicely. And there you have it, whooshka. See, you know, like what you're getting from me, it's a pain in the ass and all that jazz, but it does come up very nice. It does come up very nice when it's the finished thing. But I've got to keep these brand new toilets clean, or if the owners see it, they'll kill me, and I don't want that. No, it's all just part of it. Hopefully DIYs. Oh, a little bit of a patch up there too, but I'll give it the once over. In a sec I'll go down and get my grout. It's better to do it as you go when you see it, don't leave it till later. Clean up that. Oh, Jesus. That could have been disastrous. I've got a couple of little holes there I've got to patch up, but that's all right. Good one. Okay, DIYs, have you learnt what not to do? And that's not to do black grout. We'll see ya. Oh. See ya.